So, good morning everyone from beautiful Chengdu, China. Today me and Martin are heading to Hongkou, which is near the city of Dujiangyan. The weather today is overcast but bloody warm. Apparently it's going to get to like 35 degrees later, which is not ideal. Martin said today's tracks are pretty hard, so that probably means they're fucking impossible. First destination, I'm going to head to Martin's petrol station, and then after I fill up I'm going to head on to Hongkou. I think in total the journey there will take me about an hour and 50 minutes. So we just got the gasoline and now we're going to head to Hongkou. Yeah, Hongkou is like in the mountains near Dujiangyan, and it's like full of forests and rivers, and it's great for like rafting and hiking, outdoor adventure kind of stuff. I think it's quite popular with people from Chengdu because it's not too far from the city. People can go there on the weekend. It's not that much of a long drive. Yeah, if you take the Gaosu Gonglu, which is the highway, it's probably only an hour and a half from Chengdu, so not too far. Man, this road is pretty nice. There's not many cars at all, and it's a really scenic road, well built. And the smell up here is absolutely amazing. I don't know what it is, but it kind of smells like jasmine or something. So initially Martin gave me the wrong location, but I found him eventually. So we're off. Apparently this morning we're just going to do some simple trails, and in the afternoon do something a bit more complicated. But the good news is, Martin said today it's not going to be too difficult. Do I believe him? I'm not sure. Hey, Martin just seemed to spot a nice little hill climb, so we're going to take a look, see what it's about. Today I have a back brake as well, by the way. Wait! Jesus! Today I'm trying to be a bit more controlled with my direction and power, as opposed to just brute forcing it. I'm going to try and make it a bit more technical. I never know whether to ride in the middle or on the rut. Well, this part's a bit rough. There's a big cliff on the side there, and there's literally no track. So I'm being very cautious. There we are. Yeah, I'm going to try and be a bit more cautious today, a bit more technical. Jesus Christ, man. There's not a lot of space for error. Yeah, I'm keeping my weight kind of centered to the right, just in case if the bike does fall, at least I can just drop the bike to the floor and we won't go off the cliff. So we have to go this one? I love that. I'm not 100% sure. I don't like hearing that from Martin. Well, this isn't very fucking promising, is it? Look at it. It's overgrown with shit and I can't even see the edge of the cliff. Are you okay? Some logs in the way. Let me go and help him.
It's been here for ages. Nobody comes here anymore.
Yeah. I'm not surprised, to be fair. Nice. Okay, well that's one through. Do I fancy it? Not really. Am I going to fall off the cliff? Probably. Are we making a big mistake going this way? Most definitely. Doing the job of the Forestry Commission, yeah? Ah, there we are. Need help?
How the fuck this happened?
Let's get it done, come on. Oh, wait. Oof. 1, 2, 3, go. There we are. Jesus, Jones. Just as we suspected, the road goes nowhere. So now we have to turn back. Now we have to test the balance of my other foot. Oh shit. I hope this path goes somewhere because it's this one. Are you sure? Okay, now. Probably sure. That's not confidence that I like. The thing is, realistically, on these little single tracks, the more cautious you are, the more chance you have of falling off, you know. Like, I feel like sometimes I'm just too cautious, you know. Calling this a single track is generous. It's more like a fucking goat trail. Okay. Onwards and, well, downwards. Are you sure? It's a bit late if you're not. Fucking hell. What's this, man? Are you sure this will hold? Holy fuck, get out of the way! Fucking hell! Jesus Christ! I hate you. So, it seems like we're almost down. Maybe I'm just being optimistic. What the hell? Well, the good thing is, at least this is a path that goes somewhere. We seem to be in some kind of, I don't know, like tea path, tea plantation or something. Oh, we're just going through someone's farmyard now. But the good thing is, at least there is a path, which is a big bonus. Okay, we got to the bottom of that gnarly single track shit. We're just heading back now for a bit of lunch. I wonder what delights Martin has for us today.
Some sushi and this guy.
A fucking pasty.
I don't know.
Where did you get that pasty from?
Supermarket?
Jesus. Got a bit of coffee, some homemade food from across the road. Happy days.